I don't even understand how this can be possible. All I know is I want to go back home. I can't do this without my family. You can help, right?
Which one of you pieces just got my phone?
Is there a doctor here? Anybody? Is there a doctor?
Mom!
And then people started waking up at different times and freaking out. But you were the last one to wake up, and I thought you should know. No, the preacher was the first. I was the second.
There's a preacher here?
Yeah, some guy walking around with the Bible, but I think there's something there.
Why are you telling me this?
I was desperate for a book of Revelation for you. I got on that cliff and I jumped, but here I am with your pinche cabrones. In my hands is your fate, your destiny. We are not animals. We are not beasts.
I am the HNIC.
Order! Over mercy!
Wait!
Huh? Who's with me? And I'm ready to die.
Talking to the moon, trying to get to you. Talking to the moon, trying to get to you. Talking to the
A few moments later.
Talking to the moon, trying to get to you. Talking to the moon, trying to get to you. Talking to the moon, trying to get